Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this video. Now, we're just going to be diving into what might just be the ultimate buy-sell indicators, buy-sell signals indicator for day trading in TradingView. All right. So, if you are tired of cluttered charts and confusing setups, this is the solution you've been looking for. All right, this could be the solution you've been looking for. Okay, so let's just quickly go into what we have for this video. Okay, designed specifically for day traders, this indicator simplifies your decision making process by highlighting clear buy and sell signals. All right, based on momentum shifts, market structure, and volatility. Let us start with what makes this indicator stand out. All right, first of all, okay, let us let's get the exact indicator. TradingView have a lot of indicators available, so I just want to be sure that I'm selecting the right indicator. The buy sell signals indicator. All right, okay, so let us discuss this. Let's discuss the FXN buy sell signals indicator. All right, so we are going to be using this indicator to analyze key price levels and internal shifts in momentum. Basically, when conditions align, the indicator gives us a good opportunity to enter a trade. So no more guessing. You get instant feedback with visual clarity, and that is exactly what a day trader needs when making fast decisions. What makes this tool even better is how well it works with multiple assets, whether you are on Forex, crypto, stocks, or indices. This indicator adapts. It's optimized for shorter time frames. Actually, you can use this indicator on any time frames. But if you're a scalper, of course, you can use it optimized for shorter time frames. If you are a swing trader, you can use it for longer time frames. Okay, this indicator filters out a lot of noise, doesn't trigger constantly, waits for a high confidence zone. All right, now based on what we can see on the chart, right? This indicator, this particular indicator that we're analyzing right now, it gives its signals based on crossovers. As you can see, there are a lot of indicators available on TradingView, but this is the particular one that we're going to be analyzing in this video. All right, you can see that it uses different EMAs, and this indicator, it gives its signals based on the EMA crossovers. All right, so as you already have knowledge about moving averages, basically when a bearish crossover happens, of course, it's a sell signal. All right, and when a bullish crossover happens, it's a buy signal. So basically, once that crossover has happened, the next thing for you to do is to wait for a pullback. You wait for a pullback of price to the moving average. Once that pullback has completed, you wait for a continuation candlestick pattern. For example, you can see that we had a continuation pattern around here, right? After the pullback had completed, if you want a tight stop loss, you can put it below that moving average at that time, and then your take profit can actually be at the next resistance or when a bearish crossover happens. So it's a very straightforward indicator. The signals are straightforward based on the crossover technique. All right, based on the crossover techniques. Now, this tool also works great as a confirmation indicator. Do you already have a strategy? You can use this as a final confirmation for your entry. It will either support your bias or help you stay out of bad trades. Either way, it's value added. right? So it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, this tool gives you structure, confidence, and clarity in your trading. It helps you stay focused, react quickly, and keep your decisions rule based instead of emotional. So if you are looking to enhance your TradingView setup, this is the indicator to start with. All right, go ahead and test it on your charts, see how it aligns with your trading style, and tweak it as needed. Let's get another example real quick. So we can see that here, this is a bearish example. The price dropped below the moving averages. We had a bearish crossover, confirming the bearish sentiment, the bearish momentum. And we had a retest of price, to the moving average, and a continuation. You can see this strong bearish engulfing pattern. So right after that bearish engulfing formed, it would have been a good place to enter a sell trade. Stop loss above the swing high, that recent swing high. Your take profit can be around key support zones, okay? Or you can wait for when a bullish crossover occurs. All right, the bullish crossover can be specifically a bullish crossover between the yellow line and the red line, okay, so that you can have a good number of pips. Because if you say you should wait for the longer period moving average crossover, you would have given back a lot of profits to the market. So the crossovers you'll be looking out for is the red and the yellow. So when the red and the yellow crosses back to the upside, you exit your sell trade. But when you want to enter a trade, the crossovers you'll be looking out for are both the yellow and red, and both the yellow and red should cross over, and then the red and the yellow should cross below the red, and the yellow and red should cross below the blue. Okay, that's for a sell. In the case of a buy, the yellow should cross above the red, and the yellow and red should cross above the blue. Okay, so it's very straightforward. All right. Meanwhile, ensure that you always observe good risk management practices. Do not trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose, and do not risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance in a single trade. All right. Also ensure that you observe good risk to reward ratios when you are trading. Do not neglect risk to reward ratios. I recommend a minimum of 1:2. All right, minimum of 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So if this video helped you discover a better way to trade intraday, just do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe for more tools, breakdowns, and trading tips. All right. Meanwhile, you can actually use this indicator on any time frame. You can use it for scalping, you can use it for intraday trading, you can use it for swing trading. All right, it's not limited to only day trading. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.